Hello everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you how to transfer a T-Mobile SIM card to a new phone. First, check compatibility. Make sure your new phone is unlocked and compatible with T-Mobile. Also, check if your new phone uses the same SIM size as your old phone, whether nano, micro, or standard. If it doesn't, you may need a SIM adapter or request a new SIM from T-Mobile. Next, back up your old phone. Save your contacts, messages, photos, and apps to the cloud or your computer. On Android, use Google Backup, and on iPhone, use iCloud Backup. Power off both phones before swapping SIM cards. Turn off your old phone and your new phone. Locate the SIM tray, which is usually on the side. Use a SIM ejector tool or a small paper clip to open the tray and carefully remove the SIM card. Then, open the SIM tray on your new phone. Place the SIM card in the tray, make sure it is aligned correctly, and close the tray securely. Turn on the new phone. It should detect the T-Mobile network automatically. Test your connection by making a call and sending a text. Check the mobile data is working as well. If there is no service or you see an invalid SIM message, ensure the eSIM is properly seated and restart the phone. If it still doesn't work, contact T-Mobile support. If the phone prompts for activation, follow the on-screen instructions. Optionally, transfer settings and data. Use T-Mobile's content transfer app or your phone's built-in data migration tool to move contacts, apps, and media from the old device. That's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.